Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong full moon in Pisces ngayong August 31, 2023 at 9:35 a.m. Philippine Standard Time. So, if you're living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. This is a very powerful full moon dahil hindi lang to basta full moon. Isa rin tong super moon at blue moon. So super moon dahil mas malapit siya sa Earth kaya mas malaki siyang tignan. Blue moon dahil hindi madalas mangyari ang pagkakaroon ng dalawang full moons sa isang buwan na meron ngayon yung August. So nagkaroon tayo ng full moon in Aquarius noong August 2 at ngayon namang August 31 full moon in Pisces. Ang pinaka-theme ng full moon in Pisces is to release tension, to offer forgiveness, and to let go. Since ang moon will conjunct Saturn in the sign of Pisces, maaring magkaroon ng tension sa mga limitasyon na mga sitwasyon na kinabibilangan natin. So imagine yung frustration ninyo dyan. So the sun is also in Virgo, which is opposing the moon in Pisces. Kaya yung creativity, yung mga dreams, emotions natin, ginaground yan ng energy ng sun in Virgo, which is being analytical and structured. So Saturn is also giving us lessons on how to handle responsibilities at yung mga consequences ng mga actions natin in the past. Pisces is the last sign of the zodiac, kaya its energy is to release and to surrender. And then Mercury is also in retrograde in the sign of Virgo, kaya maaring may mga misunderstanding, miscommunication that will lead to endings. Kaya it's time to rethink, reassess, and i-review nyo muna yung mga bagay na hindi na nakakatulong sa inyong growth. And any toxic situation will be released in this lunation. This may resonate for Leo Sun or Moon, especially Leo Rising. So for you, Leo, ang full moon ay mangyayari sa inyong 8th house of transformation. This is also about other people's money. This is about inheritance and investments. So yung iba sa inyo maaring meron kayong i-let go na investments na sa tingin nyo is hindi na nakakatulong sa inyo or parang hindi na nag-generate ng income. This can be a business na i-end na ninyo to start something new. So to transform yourself, to transform your finances. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring merong matatapos na loans, no? Or ititigil nyo na yung pangungutang ninyo dahil alam nyo na hindi ito nakakatulong sa inyong finances. So, yung iba naman, loan na natapos na and wala na kayong balak na mag-reloan ulit. So, you are also going to focus on strengthening your finances by investing more doon sa mga sa tingin mo ay mas mag-generate ng income for you. So, yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring meron kayong mga, lalo pang i-discover sa sarili nyo, yung mga bagay na hindi nyo akalain na kaya nyong gawin. Because 8th house is also about inner debts. This can be anything, no, na kaya mong gawin sa relationship, sa business, or even sa career mo. So, overall ito. So, marami ka ring mga realizations about life, yung mga natutunan mo, yung mga life's lessons na yan through experiences because Saturn is conjunct your moon. So, kumbaga mas pinatatag ka na ng panahon, mas pinatatag ka na ng mga pagsubok na pinagdaanan mo. So now, things are changing, you are evolving, nagtatransform ka. So, pagdating naman sa finances mo, meron tong merong opposition yung sun sa Virgo, which is in your second house. So maaring may struggle dito when it comes to adding a new source of income or letting go of a source of income. Example nga yung nabanggit ko kanina, maaring may investment ka na gusto mo nang tapusin, or may iba may nag-end ng contract or loans, but I think mas magfo-focus ka ngayon sa pagpapalakas ng iyong finances. And maging maingat din sa mga papasukin mo na mga responsibilities, especially when it comes to other people's money, yung pag-invest ng ibang tao sa business mo, or yung loans na iti-take mo from the bank or kung sino man pwedeng magpahiram sa'yo. Kasi maaring magkaroon ng misunderstanding, pwedeng makapirma ka ng kontrata na hindi mo nabasa or hindi mo masyadong naintindihan, and na-realize mo ang laki pala ng interest nung loan na yon. So maging maingat kasi Mercury is in retrograde, so alam naman natin pag retrograde medyo wishy-washy yung energy na yan, but importante is you are aware, you keep yourself aware and vigilant sa mga any transactions related to your money. So, meron din tong positive aspect sa yung 10th house, sa yung career. So, I feel for some of you, you will start a new career, or merong nag-open na bagong opportunities for you, like a new environment pagdating sa trabaho, sa co-workers mo, or even your workers kung meron kang business, no? Maaring magdadagdag ka ng bagong mga tauhan kung meron kang business, or you will meet new friends, new connections sa bagong trabaho na papasukin mo. Pwedeng iba sa inyo malilipat ng department or malilipat ng branch or lilipat talaga ng company. So, things are going to be a bit different for you moving forward. So, meron lang ditong challenging aspects sa Venus, which is in your first house. First house is about yourself, and third house is about your communication, your siblings. So, maaring pwedeng may mga makikialam sa decision making mo, lalo na kung meron kang gustong tapusin na business or contracts or paglipat ng trabaho. Maaring merong makialam na family member or kapatid, kamag-anak, no, that may cause some conflict, but no worries kasi maari namang pag-usapan nyo yan ng maigi. Oo, kasi ano lang naman yan, kailangan meron lang kayong maayos na communication sa isa't isa. And also, maaring meron ka rin gustong changes na gawin sa iyong sarili during this time, but especially sa physical appearance mo, I think kailangan pag-isipan mo muna to, whatever this is, especially if this is anything na surgical na procedure, no? So, Mercury is in retrograde, Venus is still in retrograde, so be very careful with your decisions pagdating sa changes ng iyong physical appearance pag surgical. Non-surgical, okay lang din. As long as hindi siya extreme, no? Oo. And yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring meron kayong mga bagong kailangang matutunan or pag-aralan na related sa bago nyong trabaho or bago nyong responsibility sa trabaho. So, let's see. You have the Knight of Swords, the Lovers, and the King of Wands. Uy. Someone might try to communicate with you romantically. So, pwedeng merong maghabol, magparamdam, pwedeng from your past, a romantic partner. So, syempre, naka-retrograde tayo ngayon. Si Mercury tsaka si Venus. So, kumbaga maging maingat sa connections with them. You have to make sure na alam mo yung consequences ng mga actions mo. Especially if this is, if you are sexually connected. Kasi meron ditong energy ng 8th house, and 8th house is also about sexual connections, na baka pagsisihan mo lang in the end. So, yeah, wag masyadong maging mapusok. But of course, if you know your responsibilities, your limitations, ikaw na yung dapat maging responsible dyan, no? Oh, ayan, may invitation. The words you speak are an invitation to life, a request to bring energy into form. Choose your words carefully. So, ito yung mga affirmations mo sa sarili mo. Maging mapili sa ina-affirm mo sa sarili mo. Dapat yung mga magaganda para maganda rin yung attract mo. Sovereign. You are the queen of your life. Treat yourself like a royalty, of course. Ayan. So, focusing on yourself as well. Taking care of yourself na i-prioritize mo yung sarili mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, nakaresonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.